Welcome to the April 2025 Hero Studio Layering Stencils of the Month called Jungle Background. Let's take a look at this month's product. This 4-piece layering stencil is perfect for creating a lush jungle background. Simply ink blend with various shades of green using your blending brushes to add depth and dimension to your scene. Layering different tones creates a rich tropical feel, making it the perfect backdrop for your wildlife, adventure, or nature-themed projects. Each stencil is etched in the bottom left-hand corner with a number, guiding you through the correct order for layering. This makes it super easy to achieve a perfectly blended jungle background with seamless depth and dimension. Get perfect alignment every time by using the square registration marks provided in each corner of the stencil. Now let's create a card. Start by placing layer 1 of the stencil onto Deluxe Smooth White cardstock, securing it in place with the Spellbinder's Best Ever Craft Tape. Using a blending brush, ink blend with Kiwi ink, making sure to ink over the square registration marks in the corners. This ensures perfect alignment when layering the next stencils for a seamless jungle background. Place layer 2 onto your cardstock, aligning it with the square registration marks. Using a blending brush, ink blend with Fresh Lawn ink to add depth and variation. Place layer 3 onto the cardstock, ensuring it's aligned with the square registration marks. Using a blending brush, ink blend with Pine ink to add rich shadows and depth. Layer 4 offers creative flexibility with color choices. To achieve the effect of looking through jungle leaves, ink blend with Cornflower ink. This adds a subtle, cool contrast to the lush greens, enhancing the depth and dimension in the background. To enhance the depth of the scene, ink blend with Indigo ink, focusing on keeping the edges darker while gradually fading towards the center. Once the ink blending is complete, trim down the panel using the Nesting Rectangles Infinity die for a clean and polished look. Using a piece of Deluxe Smooth White cardstock cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, die cut an arch frame using the Arches Infinity die. Using the leftover cardstock from the arch window, stamp a sentiment from the April 2025 card kit using pitch black ink for a crisp, bold impression. Then die cut out the sentiment with the coordinating die. Adhere the arch frame over the blended panel using foam tape for added dimension and a bit of pop. Stack your sentiment with 2 additional pieces of cardstock for added dimension, and then adhere it to the center of the window using liquid glue. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.